one Thanksgiving look coming right up, even though it is September. So first we're gonna use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It is, I think this is like a staple. This was a staple of YouTubers like last year, and I think it works quite well. It goes on pretty smooth. You can feel it on though. Concealer. This is my favorite so far. Eyeshadow primer. Because eyeshadow for me, when it comes to themed makeup, this is what I specialize in, making it themed. For fall, I had a lot of fun blending the red, orange, and yellow tones with like purple, but I think I want to do brown with purple this time. Like neutrals. So that means I will be using this palette and this palette. You know what? I'm just gonna go with the Tartelette palette and use the 4 shades in this corner. I'm gonna do a light layer of the darker browns because I don't want it to look like, you know, I got bruised or something. Now I'm just working with purple. And then I will be done with this eyeshadow. Honestly, it does look like my eyes are a little bruised, so I'm gonna go in with the lighter purple shades and see what happens. Okay, not as bad, not as bad. This is a Dr. Mascara Fixer. Is basically a primer for mascara from Etude House. And my favorite mascara currently is also by Etude House. I don't know, it applies on like really thin, so that's why I like it. There we go. Yeah, lips, I want to use something on the darker side. I really like cranberry sauce, and I feel like I know this shade yeah, it doesn't look like cranberry sauce once it goes on my lips, because my lips have like, you know, they have like a warm like pink, like dark pink, red, light red sort of like tint to them. It'll look like cranberry sauce, and I'm down for that for Thanksgiving. Alrighty. Voila! This is probably going to be my makeup look for Thanksgiving 2018. Yeah, might practice some more with some other colors, but this is basically the gist of it. You know, dark eyeshadow shades, dark lip shades, berry colors. That's my thing. I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving. Thank you so much for checking out Wheesearch. I mean, we all have like our different quirks that we bring to each like makeup review, makeup tutorial, and yeah, we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye!